have all this instant attack speed. Oh my, it's a laser. It's a laser. Alright guys, another rounds video. Let's go. So he's gonna make good combo, hopefully. Shockwave. Barrage?
Barrage.
Oh, actually, I gotta see what barrage is. Okay, so it's kind of like, I'm assuming it's gonna be like the spray thing or whatever it was called. Burst. Oh, it's like a little shotgun. You shouldn't be afraid of it. Ow. Oh, what is that?
I don't know.
What are you trying to hit me with? Ow. And I killed myself. Alright. Yeah, it did nothing. Looks like I'm going close range. How am I not hitting you? Oh, I hit you. They do like no damage. Assuming they do more up here. Wait, what? We both died. Oh, come
I
on.
got you.
Quick shot. Combine. I'm gonna do quick shot because my bullets are too slow. Imagine these but big bullets. Ah, no. You should not. No. No. Stay away. Stay away, TNT.
You need to reload at some point, so might as well.
I reloaded like twice already. Third time. I gotta.
Why are you running? Why are you so gay?
Ayo. Yeah. Hiya. No! Wait, that bounced on. What is happening? Come on. You always get like I get underdog basically each time because you always get good beginner plays. Oh.
Where's my... Wait, what? What happened?
You fell off the map. How do you not know?
I don't know. How did I even get under the map first?
Because you went on the edge. That. Ooh, this is a good combo. How are you exploding? It's a block? Oh, it must be. Oh, I realized I haven't been using my block much. Oh. Alright, let's get. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, TNT. Please. This is my combo.
Start praying, son.
Well, at least you don't have a good combo yet with that.
I could wait here forever though.
Yeah, you could, but I have the high ground now. Anakin. TNT.
You underestimate my power. I also learned.
You don't have speed, so you can't attack. See? Okay, okay. Oh, come on, I walked right into that. I think I need to go close range with you. Oh, I can block your bullet, I think. Oh, I thought I blocked that. Okay. Please, barrage again? Grow, wait, grow? No. No, wait. No way this works.
It's a shotgun.
Oh my
What are you
god.
thinking?
They're all gonna grow. That means I'll get extra damage per bullet. Ah, no, no, no. Don't disrespect me. No. Come on. Your glasses. Do you hear those? Oh, TT. Are you gonna use a barrier? Oh, it's so powerful it knocked down the building behind me. Oh, come here. Come here. This probably does instant kill. Oh, you almost died from just that. Oh. As long as I keep my distance, though. That's the thing. And I just told you my plan. Dang it. Yes! Finally! Man.
Ball headshot right now.
Yeah, it did. Whoa! Yes! You can do bigger, but I wouldn't. No, I don't know if you want to do bigger, because if it's so massive, I just get instant killed all the time. It wouldn't be fair. Oh, come on. Oh no. Okay, chill.
I am chill. Come here, come here.
Yo, oh my god. This is like the map. I think they can get bigger than that. I think it's like infinite scale, but I don't like it. Alright. Keep my distance.
Why are you running? I'm
Cause
skipping. Why are you running?
Cause of my combo.
Nothing to feel afraid.
They grow as they go. I guess that sounds sus, but you know what? I respect it. Oh look, see? You got damaged by that buckshot right there. Pepper spray, let's go. Every time like I win or something, you like slam your table and it just cuts out. And he goes I no. What? Okay. Ooh, oh my god. Wait, oh this looks cool. Okay, TNT. Okay, wait. I wanna see what this looks like. Don't hit me.
You were about to shoot me, weren't you?
No, I was just testing it out. Oh, come on. Okay. You have better reload. I'll give you that. I'll give you that one. But I shoot like 100 of them. Yo.
You can shoot 100 of them, but it won't matter if they miss.
Oh, come on. How are you doing this? Quick shot?
Just
Cool bullets. I'm gonna do quick shot, because that's the only thing that's really helping. I don't want to slow you down, because that'd just be stupid. I'd rather have all this instant attack speed. Oh my, it's a laser. How? It's because your bullets are massive, that's right. No, I can't let you win. Come on. Alright. Wait, I'm first? Alright. Yeah, I'm orange. Okay, let's do this again. See if I can beat him. Alright. Quick reload, shield. Block, quick shot. Ricochet. I'm gonna ricochet. Let's just see what happens. Yo, blue ninja, that actually looks pretty cool. Oh, you wanna be a leech? Trickster? Ah. So if you just have a billion bounces, you just... Oh, come on. You didn't go for Phoenix, really?
It gives you low HP.
Oh, it does, true. You killed yourself? Wait, what does my thing do? Oh, it does ricochet. Wait, did I kill you?
I'm so confused with these controls.
Yes! Orange is like stronger than blue. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, silence. Oh, okay. I see how it is.
Oh, I'm on the left. I hate that.
Yeah, me too. I just realized. Because you usually get used to your side. That's what... What is... I don't like your bullets. I like how you just quick sniped me from the others. Really? We both like almost did the same thing. Life stealer? Oh.
Wait, Fu won and Fu died?
I died. And...
Wait, I'm so confused.
I know. I'm gonna do this. What does this do? So... If I'm correct... Oh. That looks pretty cool. Oh, come on, game. I'm one shot now. Yes. Okay, I killed myself. Do your bullets bounce?
Yeah.
Like mine has like huge drag. Oh come on. All right, I need a better. Oh no. As much as I want to do big bullet, I gotta have burst. You're about to see why. You're about to see why. So remember I was shooting one that ricocheted? Well, yeah, I shoot a bunch more. Oh well, TNT type. Or not.
I thought we could double jump, did you?
Yeah, I know you can. Kind of. Thanks for the win. I'm not being toxic. I'm not being toxic. You know your car does more damage because it bounces. If yours bounces... Oh, wait, what?
Shot one.
Wait, what?
I hit myself.
You're gonna go class cannon? You know it gives you like way less health.
I just won. Oh my god, help me, Andrew.
This is great. I love your combo. It just gives me free wins. Okay. Ow. Oh, what is that? What? Okay. I'm starting to think that you have become the mastermind of this game. Or not. I'll take it. You should go for like a tanky thing. Or more bullets. I don't know. Yeah, you think about it. More bullets? That'd be pretty powerful. Alright, yes. That's exactly what I wanted. None of them hit me. They're supposed to keep the trajectory, but look at this. It like slopes down. Oh, what? Nah. At least the maps aren't like the other ones. Dang. Hey, I'm about to win. You should think of a better combo, you know. More HP. Why wouldn't you go for HP? That was like the thing you needed because you're a glass cannon. You killed yourself. TNT, what do you gotta say? Don't be quiet. Come on.
I'm just gay.
Ah. What do you think? I'll just walk into your EMP out of pity. This is nothing.
Pity, huh?
Oh, okay. He's getting serious now.
Get out of here. Get over here. I want to talk to this guy.
Where are you going? Oh, crap.
What's wrong? Not gonna go down here with me?
No, because I know your combo is busted. Ow. Oh.
Andrew, I saw you die twice. What the hell happened?
What do you mean?
Oh, I saw you fell to the ground.
Oh no, I
saw you
fell, but I climbed on the hill.
No, but then you teleported back up.
What?
You teleported back up on my screen.
Ah, I see.